Greetings, folks. Dave from Mac Geek Gab here. And today, not only do I get to tell you about Roborock, one of my favorite tech companies, and I use their vacuums in my house. They clean and they vacuum and mop the top floor, bedrooms and bathrooms. And I have one in my office that vacuums my office before I get there every morning. But I also get to thank them for being one of our CES 2025 coverage sponsors. It takes a lot to do what we're doing this week. Pete and I are out there sifting through everything, capturing all this stuff. And then, of course, we just dump it at Sadie, who's in the back office, producing all these amazing videos. So thanks to Roborock for helping make that possible for you and for us. And Roborock is, like I said, one of my favorite companies. I use their stuff at home and in my office. And what we get to talk about now are the things that Roborock has announced at CES this week. The new Roborock Saros series, S-A-R-O-S. They've got the Saros 10, the Saros 10R, and the Saros Z70. Boy, howdy, you're going to want to see this thing. Because these aren't just robot vacuums. They're a glimpse into the future of home automation. So the Saros 10 is Roborock's ultra-thin marvel. At just 7.98 centimeters, it glides under furniture that most vacuums simply can't reach. And its retract sense navigation system adjusts to low clearance spaces, and its 22,000 hyperforce suction power ensures that cleaning even on carpets, no matter what. That's 22 kPa, folks. That's amazing. Plus, the Vibrarize 4.0 mopping system delivers dual sonic vibrations and self-detaching mops, making it a dual threat against dirt and grime. And now, if the Saros 10 is sleek, the Saros 10R is the next gen navigator. It features Roborock's Starsight Autonomous System 2.0, which uses advanced sensors and AI to map your home with pinpoint precision. It's like having a robot butler that not only cleans, but learns your home's quirks to clean even smarter every time. And let's not forget the Vertibeam lateral obstacle avoidance, right? They've got so much tech in these things. It's crazy. And that way it can do all of the crazy things because it's got eyes on the sides. Very, very cool stuff. The showstopper, as I mentioned, though, is the Saros Z70. I know. It's got a groundbreaking mechanical arm. Yes, a robot vacuum with a mechanical arm. It can clean above ground, tackling shelves, tables, and blinds. Imagine a vacuum that doesn't just clean your floors, but climbs into places you dread dusting. It's not just cleaning, it's redefining how we think about robot helpers. Now, if you're thinking, that sounds like a lot of power, Dave, you'd be right. And Roborock's new Robodoc Ultra 2.0 keeps these machines running with 80 degrees C mop washing. That's hot. Fast charging and even auto mop detachment. It's like having a pit crew for your robot vacuum. And here's the kicker, right? Roborock's AI isn't just about cleaning. It's about understanding your home and adapting to your lifestyle. From avoiding obstacles to mopping only where needed, the Saros series doesn't just clean, it evolves. I can't wait to test these things out in my house and tell you even more about it. So a big thanks to Roborock for sponsoring our CES 2025 coverage. And if you're ready to rock a new era in home cleaning, right, head over to roborock.com and check out the Saros series. These things are cool. Don't get caught with yesterday's tech, folks. Get Roborock. And our thanks to Roborock for sponsoring our CES 2025 coverage. We couldn't do it without them. You all rock. Don't get caught, folks, and have a great day. Check out Roborock.